Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer, water sign. This is November bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Cancer, water sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Cancer, water sign. Two cards. So under the deck, the Hierophant. Maybe you're dealing with Taurus, Five of Swords, Six of Pentacles, and Queen of Cups, and Knight of Wands. Someone is rushing to communicate with you, or someone is rushing towards you. This person is crazy over you. Yes. And Queen of Cups. You have very strong emotions towards someone here, and you are very caring and sharing person. You are getting help from someone. In some cases, maybe especially in finances, you are getting some help here. And in relationship wise, definitely there is no equal give and take. Maybe they're treating you as an option here, and lot of issues or big fighting is going, or opinion differences between you and your person, or commitment or stability issues between you and your person, or marriage is involved. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Eight of Cups, King of Swords, and the Fool. I think in recent past, maybe you want to walk away from this relationship, or you want to disconnect from this person. You are thinking about disconnecting from this person or from your person, and you're setting healthy boundaries because you want to be in the full energy. You want to take leap of faith, and you want to be live in the present moment and going with the flow. You want to free from all the negative energy, what I'm getting here, because something is stopping you to be in this energy. Then present Knight of Cups, Six of Wands, and Three of Cups. I think you are celebrating your life here. You are getting success for your hard work. Definitely you are getting success here and celebration. And some of you may be third party involved in this relationship. You have options here, Cancer. Someone is coming towards you to offer their cup of love to you. And for some, it could be a brand new person. Then future, Ten of Cups, Eight of Pentacles, and Queen of Swords. Yeah, I think someone is ready to work on this relationship, and someone is ready to offer Ten of Cups, uh, but you are not willing to open up to anybody because due to past hurts, maybe you just leave one relationship. Now you are not ready to give another chance to new person. Just you are doing your own thing. That's why you are working hard and your guards are up. You are not willing to talk. Yes, you just finished one relationship. You are not ready now. That's the message. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So Cancer, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. Ace of Swords with Judgment. Maybe they want to give some clarity to you. Or one person in this relationship going through some legal issues. King of Pentacles. Maybe you're dealing with Leo. Under the deck, Knight of Pentacles, Six of Wands, Seven of Pentacles, and Five of Pentacles. There is some waiting game is going. Your person is taking their time, and they know they did hurt you, but they want success in this relationship, and they now thinking about you seriously. They really want to offer stability here because Knight of Pentacles, but they are in slow moving energy. And their current feelings, King of Pentacles, Page of Swords, and the Sun. Maybe children's or kids also involved in this relationship. They are watching you, they're spying you, and your person is also very independent and powerful person. And their intentions, the Hangman, Judgment, and Five of Wands. I want clarification card for Judgment here. Yes. So Judgment clarified by Three of Pentacles, Page of Cups, and Queen of Cups. So their intentions, the Hangman, Judgment, and Five of Wands. Definitely they want to work on this relationship. Three of Pentacles, they want to reconcile with you if you are in separation with this person. If not, they want to fix things with you. That's why apology is coming, communication is coming, and they do have feelings for you. Yes, Queen of Cups is here. Maybe they now recognizing your worth, recognizing your value. That's why they're wanting you back. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Five of Swords. Yeah, they have regrets. They did hurt you, but now want one more card. Yeah. So they're going through something in their life. Maybe they are in a very difficult situation right now, your person, but they are recognizing your love, they're recognizing your value as well, because Two of Cups is here. But you have some fears regarding this person. Cancer. Ten of Pentacles with Three of Swords. Yes, they broke your trust. Now you are heartbroken, and especially from this side there is no stability in past. That's why you are not giving your trust this person easily. You are not going to invest this into this relationship easily because you are heartbroken, but they're rushing to communicate with you. And for some, I am seeing you have options here. Someone brand new is coming, and some of you still waiting for their call and text, and it is coming here. And right now you're focusing on your money, and your money is very good, Cancer. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. The Moon. Maybe you're dealing with Pisces. Yes, there is love between you and your person, and it's mutual. At the same time, there are some trust issues involved here, and it is one type of ending between you and your person, but they're trying to rebirth in this relationship, and but lot of trust issues and illusions. Yeah. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Cancer. Don't leave me behind. Retreat and true love. Don't leave me behind. Retreat and true love are the messages from your person. And so let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Cancer. Messages for you, Cancer. Guys, again, this is general. If may not resonate to you, just don't force to fit to this reading. Just take what resonates and leave the rest, or there are so many channels. You have to check those channels also if it is not resonate. If it resonates, it's okay, because this is general, not particular one. So communication is key. New moon in Gemini. Maybe some of you are dealing with Gemini right now, and balance spirituality and practicality. Full moon in Pisces. Maybe you are dealing with Pisces, and don't let pride get in your way. Full moon in Leo. Maybe you are dealing with Leo. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.